This is a little refrigerator fan and aerator. And a lot of times in our refrigerators, on this particular shelf right here, right under the freezer, things start freezing. And so this, you just flip this little switch. It takes 2D batteries. And I don't know if you can see that little wheel in there.
Yeah.
Okay, what that does is it circulates that air in there, and so it keeps everything from right underneath your freezer from freezing. I just found it. It's on Amazon. It's like $21.50. Best $21.50 you will invest in, because it's going to save you a lot of money as far as like if you put something in there and it freezes on you.